Hello and welcome back to our channel again. Thank you for all those who subscribe to our channel, and for those who haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell beside it so that you will be notified every time I posted a new video. So for our today's project, we're going to make something special for our fur babies, may it be a cat or your dogs. So we'll be needing our yarn. You can use either cotton or acrylic. Then we have our yarn needle, our scissor, and for this demonstration I'm going to use this 3mm crochet hook. So what we need to do is make a slip knot, and chain 70. I just chain loosely. So just continue making a chain of 70. I will show you later on how you can easily adjust this pattern to your dogs if they are small, and also for your cats. So I have chained 70. To continue, we're going to make a single crochet on the second chain from the hook. What I will do is I will be making my single crochet on that bump, at the back bump, but it's okay as well if you're going to use this loop. That is just my preference. So single crochet on the second chain from your hook, and continue doing your single crochet until you reach the last chain. So now we reach our last chain, and we're going to do our last single crochet. So we're going to chain 1 and turn, and we're going to make a single crochet on the same turning chain that we do on the first single crochet. Then make a single crochet, chain 1, skip the next chain, and then single crochet on the second one. Chain 1, skip the next chain, single crochet on the next. So that will be the repeat for this row. Chain 1, skip 1 chain, and single crochet on the next chain. Chain 1, skip the next chain, and chain 1, and single crochet on this next chain. Chain 1, skip, single crochet. Chain 1, skip, single crochet. So we're going to do that until we reach our end. So now we reach our end, and we still have 2 chains remaining. We chain 1, skip the next chain, and we do our single crochet on the last chain that we have. So we finish our second row. So now we're going to do our third row, chain 1 and turn. So what we're going to do is we're going to single crochet on every chain and on the chain 1 space. So single crochet on the first chain, and then next we have the chain 1 space, so we're going to make our single crochet there as well. Single crochet on the single crochet, then next on the chain 1 space, and we're going to do the repeat until we reach our end. Single crochet on all the single crochets and on all our chain 1 space. So now we have reached our end, and we're going to make our last single crochet on our last chain. And we're going to fasten off and cut our yarn. And now we're going to start our bandana or the scarf, our triangle scarf for our dogs or for our cats. So I'm going to make a slip knot, and I'm going to count 20 chains from this end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I just counted 20 from my end, attach my yarn, slip stitch, and chain 1. And I'm going to make a single crochet on the same chain. Make a chain of 2, skip the next chain and single crochet on the next, chain 2, skip again the next chain, single crochet on the next, and you're going to do this repeat: single crochet, chain 2, skip 1, single crochet on the next one until you reach your second marker. For me, I'm just going to count 20 stitches from my end, and I'm going to stop where the 20 chain ends. So I will just continue chaining 2, skip the next chain and chain 1. So I will just again make a repeat: chain 2, skip the next chain and single crochet on the next. So this is how long my scarf will be. So I have a unchained 20 space, 20 chains here unchained, and unchained 20 chains also on the other side. So to move up, we're going to make a chain of 1 and turn, and make a single crochet on our chain 2 space. So single crochet in your chain 2 space, chain 2, and make a single crochet on all of the chain 2 spaces that you have. Chain. So now we are on our last chain 2 space. So So I'm just going to make a chain of 2 and make a single crochet on the chain 2 space. I'm going to make a chain of 1 and turn, and single crochet right away on the chain 2 space, the first chain 2 space. Chain 2, the same repeat. We're going to make single crochet on all the chain 2 spaces until we reach the other end. So now coming to the end, I chain 2, single crochet on the chain 2 space, chain 2 again, and this will be our last chain 2 space. I'll make a single crochet, chain 1, and then you turn your work, then single crochet right away on that first chain 2 space, and chain 2, single crochet on the chain 2 space. So the same repeat until we reach the end. Now that we have finished our scarf, if you would notice, as you go along, as you make a chain 1 and turn, this sides become smaller and smaller. This is the one that I'm telling you about. Okay, so this is how you can easily adjust your scarf depending how big your dog is or how small your cat or your dog is. So after making a certain number of chains for the strap, for their neck, you can just finish our third row. You can finish this 3 rows for the strap, and after that you can try it on again on their neck and see how long you want the scarf be for them. You can make it as short as you want if they're small, and make it as long as you want if they're big. So this pattern is very adjustable. If your dog is a female, you can also add a small flower on this side. Now we are ready to fasten off and cut our yarn. So now we're just going to weave our ends. So I just have these 2 buttons, and we're going to attach it on the other end. You can attach one, either 1 or 2. I want to make it 2 so that I can also adjust. I can make it shorter like that. I can make it only 1 button to make it longer. So I just use my yarn needle to attach my button, and I'm just going to secure it with a knot. So now we have our scarf ready. So again, thank you for joining me today, and stay safe everyone. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell beside it so that you will be notified once I have a new video up. And stay safe, everyone. Happy crocheting and God bless.